that little job's done. And let's get off this tractor. I'm really glad I did that. It really wasn't that bad. With that thing laying out straight, it was fairly easy to feed those cables, or excuse me, those hoses down through there. And it was a little tricky to get them bent up and get them through this boot, but I'm a tricky guy, so I got her done, and I'm glad I did that. You know, instead of taking that thing to town and spending $300 or $400 on it, I don't know what they'd charge. It's tractor mechanics don't come cheap, so you know that's money I can spend on the rat rod, or that thing, or whatever I need to. So yeah, that was a good project. Went real well, and now I can get back to my rat killing. I'm gonna clean this shop up so that I can do projects in here. It's just getting out of hand. And there's some more junk over there, and oh, that's the good hose that I took off. I replaced both of them, put 2 new ones in while I was at it. So this one I'll hang on the wall, and then, you know, because it is good. And then, oh, there's my system for pulling those hoses through there. I had no brake cable there in there, and I taped it onto those hoses and then got the vice grips on it and yanked them out of there. But that good one I'll hang on the wall, and that way, you know, 100 years from now, when archaeologists are digging this place up, and they'll find it and they'll say, I wonder why an old rat rodder would keep a hose hanging on the wall all this time. And y'all will know because you was here, see? And you can raise your hand and say, pick me, I know why I did it.